Okay, hello. Today we will review a new custom visual. Actually, I was waiting for it, called Pareto. Of course, a lot of you heard about Pareto principle and 80-20 principle. We will start here with illustrating an example. It could be found in ablebytes.com about how to make the Pareto in Excel. First of all, to you who don't know about Pareto, we can see here the definition in this typical site about Pareto. Pareto analysis is based on the Pareto principle, named after Italian economist Pareto. And this principle states that for many events, about 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. So in this example, in this site, used complaints about software based on this data. In 2016 Excel, you can see here in the insert button, recommended, and go for the recommendation, and you can easily make the Pareto. Other approach is to use a histogram here, and under the histogram you will see also the Pareto. So basically this will give you assorted categories from the most count to the least. So anyone sees this sorting, he will say, okay, doesn't work, and poor technical support having the most majority impact on my complaints. I have to do something with it. Coming with Power BI. First, when I use Power BI, I thought it's like very simple to have it under the histogram custom visual, but actually not. So let us see here, because I'm very happy to find a custom visual released in February 2020 about the Pareto. And I would like in future maybe Microsoft or another vendors supporting the marketplace here to make it embedded in histogram, to switch between the properties in histogram. So make it histogram and make it Pareto in same time. But for Pareto, okay, we see here it's released in 11th of February by CU2 Graphs. And we will add it, and we will put the same data here. Okay, let us copy the data. Okay, to whom tried to make Pareto on Power BI before, really this will be fascinating for you. Simply, we will select Pareto, and we will put in the categories our complaint column, and we will put on the values the count. Okay, and voila, it gave us the same result, and with a very beautiful coloring. I need to explore and review with you the properties of this visual. This visual, actually, I see very recent version 1. But for here, I really don't know why it's y-axis having no properties and the right one have no properties. I don't know. Maybe it's only on off. There is no formatting options for the font. Maybe because it's based on a coding, certain coding. They're giving no coloring option in fonts here. Only category color is available. So okay, a title, I can edit in title, background, and make borders. Okay, it's okay, but actually it did what it programmed for, to make the Pareto. I'm very happy with it. I hope in future it will be embedded here in the visuals, and make it very easy, like in Excel, to switch between histogram and Pareto. Okay, tell me what you think, and tell me if you are happy also with having this new custom visual on the marketplace.